Hi guys, in this video, we're tackling the bothersome error 6290 on Paramount Plus. So if you've stumbled upon this glitch, no need to worry, I've got a detailed solution for you. Okay, first things first, if you come across the error 6290 on Paramount Plus recommends a simple fix. So just simply click on the OK button when the error page appears, and then this will navigate you back to the previous page and it could potentially clear the error. So once you're back on the previous page, just try playing the video again to see if the issue resolved. Now, if the previous step doesn't fix the problem, then try closing the Paramount Plus app and reopening it. So this straightforward action can refresh the app and may resolve the issue, so just close the app, reopen it, and give playing the video another shot. Now, if despite your attempts the problem persists, it's advisable to contact Paramount Plus customer support, share essential details like the affected show, season, and episode with them. Basically, providing this additional information will help them address your concern more effectively. And that's it, a detailed guide on fixing error 6290 on Paramount Plus. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.